Amazon Simple Storage, often referred to as Amazon S3, is an object storage service that offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. You can think of Amazon S3 as a storage container that is available globally within the cloud. Customers of all sizes and industry can use Amazon S3 to store and protect any amount of data for a range of use cases such as data lakes, websites, mobile applications, backup and restore, and even for archiving data. Amazon S3 provides management features so you can optimize, organize, and configure access to meet your specific business, organizational, and compliance requirements. In this course, we'll be using Amazon S3 to import and export data within our database. So it's important that you have a basic understanding of Amazon S3. So now let's take a look at how you can create an Amazon S3 bucket. Once you're signed into your Amazon console, in the search, you can search for S3 and then select the S3 scalable storage in the cloud. Here I have an existing bucket. So within S3 you have containers which are called buckets, and each bucket contain folders or files. So to create a S3 bucket to store your backups, select create bucket. I'm going to call this RDS backups if the name is not taken. I'm going to keep the AWS region as US East 2 because this is where I will be creating my database. Scroll down and then select create bucket. So the bucket name already exists, so I have to change this. So I'm going to call this RDS course bucket. Now let's try and create in the bucket. Select create bucket and the bucket has been successfully created. Now within the bucket you can always upload files or create a folder. So I'm going to create a folder called Oracle Backups. Select create folder, and now my S3 bucket is all completed. So you can easily upload a file from your desktop or wherever by selecting the upload button, select upload, and then add files. In the next module, we'll be taking a look at configuring our database instance.